M. This is the letter M. M for moon. M for map. M for mirror. M for mango. M for mushroom. M for mask. M for mouse. M for monkey. M for man. M for mittens. M for magnet. M for milk. Moon, map, mirror. Mango, mushroom, mask. Monkey, mouse, man. Mittens, magnet, milk. This is the family of letter M.